That day I had a meeting at the office. Nothing indicated that something surprising was going to occur.
I was in my art gallery when I suddenly started to experience new sensations. Suddenly, a light transported me.
I was trapped by light and entered into another space. It seemed like the future. I can travel the seas to see the species that inhabit them with my own eyes.
It's almost unimaginable that by taking a few steps you can change from one era to another.
You can feel the sound of the battles and hear the rumble of the chariots.
Valencia is a city of contrasts where you can cross a street and travel through time.
I discovered a symphony of smells, tastes and colours.
Valencia is art, image, bold innovation and imagination.
A place where nature's within arm's reach.
Where you can breathe and feel nature beneath your feet. And walk right into the heart of Africa. Valencia is an explosion of light, colour and sound. A journey through time. A journey into the future. Valencia
is another dimension.